Alexa, play Mr. Fart's Taco Farts.
Taco Farts by Mr. Farts on Amazon Music.
So now, to prevent you from clicking off my video real quick, on your Alexa device, if you have one in the room and it's actually playing everything I tell it, on the top of it there should be a power button. If you press it one time quickly, like on the show, you'll get a red line and Alexa stops responding. So as long as that's turned off, she won't do everything I tell it to. Turn it back on, simply push the button quickly one time, and Alexa wakes back up again. Okay, in this video, we're going to have some fun with Alexa. If you've never used Alexa before, or if you're just getting new to your Alexa, some people have a problem talking to Alexa, learning how to use her. She talks back a lot. Some of the commands you give it doesn't always work the way you want. So I found by finding some of these other things that are interesting to some people. Now this video is not going to pertain to everybody, but I'll have some other videos on here of things that may be interesting to you. Once you learn how to start using these, sometimes it's more learning how to have fun with your device, to learn how to use it for other proper things or more practical things. So this video is basically going to be on some hidden feature that a lot of people don't know that Alexa can do. So I'm going to start with some basic questions. Alexa, did you fart?
Whoever smelt it, dealt it, and I'm not talking about a card game.
Alexa, who farted?
I believe the one who smelt it, dealt it.
Alexa, what is that smell?
I don't have the ability to smell. It's a blessing and a curse.
Alexa, what's the best way to cover a fart smell?
Here's something I found on the web. According to lifehacker.com, you can try to mitigate the smell. For example, if you carry scented lotion in your purse, take it out right after you fart and start nonchalantly applying some to your hands.
Play Happy Birthday, Farting.
Here's Happy Birthday Farting Song for Poopy Pants by Party Boy Sings on Amazon Music.
Oh, happy birthday! Sing song for Mr. Poopy Pants.
Alexa, what is a fart?
Flatulence, also known as a fart or passing wind, happens when your intestines need to release gas. Gas forms for several reasons, including digesting food, swallowed air, and overgrowth of bacteria in the small intestines
Alexa,
due to a medical...
What is the longest fart ever?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, the current Guinness Book of World Records holder for the world's longest fart is a man named Bernard Clemens of London. This man managed to let off one continuous fart.
Alexa, what is the loudest fart ever recorded?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, the loudest fart on record is 168 decibels, set by Doug Schupak.
Alexa, who is Bernard Clemens?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, Bernard Clemens is a man from London that holds the Guinness World Record for longest fart at 59 seconds. Congrats, Bernard Clemens.
Alexa, give me some fun fart facts.
Flatulence, also known as a fart or passing wind, happens when your intestines need to release gas. Gas forms for several reasons, including digestion.
Alexa, tell me a fart joke.
What happens if you work too hard on a fart joke? It comes out crappy.
Alexa, open Big Fart.
Welcome to Big Fart. Would you like me to fart?
Yes, I would.
That was a wet and squeaky one. Try asking me for a cheek wobbling fart. Or say random.
Alexa, fart 12 times in a row.
Here comes a serving of 12 farts. Try asking me for a long and crispy fart.
Alexa,
or say random.
Fart in 15 seconds.
Farting will start in 15 seconds.
That's a good one to use if you leave the room. Basically, you can enable that countdown, walk away, and whoever's left in the room, if they walk into it after you, will end up with Alexa farting on them. And if they don't think fast enough, they won't know how to stop Alexa, because she will continue until you tell her to quit. Alexa, stop farting.
Okie dokie. Big fart. Would you like me to fart?
Alexa, spicy fart.
Here comes a spicy fart. Try asking me for a long and squeaky fart. Or say
Alexa,
random.
fart in my face.
Come closer to me. Put your face right next to me, so your nose is almost touching me. Checkmate.
Alexa, shark fart.
Shark farts are in the Extreme Farts pack. Would you like to learn more?
Yes. So for
Get
some
loads
extra
more
money,
farts with the
you
Extreme
can get some
Farts
different
extension
farts.
pack. Like dragon farts and the ability to fart happy birthday to you. As a Prime member, you save
The happy
39
birthday
cents.
would be almost worth
Your
it.
price is just $1.60 plus tax. Would you like to buy it?
No.
Okay. I guess it is smelly enough for now without the Extreme Farts extension pack. Would you like me to continue farting?
Yes, please.
That was a quick one.
Alexa, party farts.
Now playing Mr. Farts. Party farts.
Let's get this party
Alexa, stop farting.
Okie dokie.
Tell Mr. Farts to play rock farts.
Now playing Mr. Farts. Rock farts.
Basically, once you're in here, you can tell it to play any type of fart music you want. Alexa, play Mr. Farts pop music.
Now playing Mr. Farts. Farting round the house.
Oh, hey, it's Mr. Farts and the band.
Alexa, play Mr. Farts heavy metal.
Now playing Mr. Farts. Metal farts.
Alexa, fart of the day.
Today's fart of the day is a beery fart.
Alexa, rate my fart.
Okay. I give the smell 8 out of 10. I will give the execution 6 and impact 8. Bravo! Shall I fart again?
Alexa, what does my fart smell like?
Okay. I give the smell 5 out of 10. I will give the execution 8 and impact 9. Opening fart menu. I will be
Click the
serving
three
you
bars at
today.
the top. There's
I
a
highly
menu in here.
recommend asking to play Mr. Farts or the
And most of this stuff I've already done for you. I haven't done the what time is it yet.
It's fart o'clock.
So that's different.
That means it's 12:41.
Okay, so that's definitely not it for the farts if you do the fart expansion pack. So basically that was just a quick fart introduction video. Again, it's kind of off topic, but if you're trying to learn how to use your Alexa device, stuff like this will actually help you learn how to talk to her. She will talk back to you when you're first trying to do those commands. If you say something wrong, she'll ask you, she'll tell you other things, she might open other things, but once you get used to talking to her, it's not too bad to use.